We're watching this down to our south. This is Invest 90. Over the next couple of days, really not going to see much happen with this, but over the next 5 days, once this gets up into the Gulf of Mexico, that's when we have about a 60% chance of seeing some development. The reason why is because we've got this very strong wind shear moving across the Western Caribbean and then across the Yucatan. So it basically just kind of blows the tops right off of these storms. That'll be the same case as we head into tomorrow. Strong wind shears are just going to inhibit this system from developing. But by Friday, things are going to start to change. We're going to start to see a small area of some lower wind shear, and that will allow this system to move up into the Gulf of Mexico. And if we're going to see some sort of development, that's when we'll start to see it Friday, Saturday into Sunday. Now, we've been watching this for several days, talking about something developing. So exactly what are we talking about? At this point, it's just a bunch of rain that's going to be working its way up into the Gulf of Mexico. We have to see, does this develop into some sort of a subtropical depression, a depression, a tropical storm? That's kind of what some of the answers that have to be answered over the next several days. But it doesn't really matter whether this is a tropical storm, a tropical depression, or a subtropical system, or just a bunch of rain, because it's not about the wind. It's not going to be a big wind event. This is just going to be a bunch of rain working its way over the state and giving us a soggy weekend. Saturday, Sunday into Monday looks like a pretty good chance of some showers and some thunderstorms. For today, though, beautiful looking day. Partly cloudy skies, just a few scattered showers as we go into the afternoon. Daytime high at 88. Then for tonight, a humid night, but an overnight low of 74 degrees under partly cloudy skies. For tomorrow, morning sun. Those scattered storms are going to start to work their way back over us. Daytime high at 87 degrees. Winds are out of the south to southeast to south at 10 knots, seas 2 feet. Light chop on the bay. High tide comes up at 10:28 this evening. Here's your 7-day forecast. And notice that rain chance 30% for today, but right back up to 60 to 70% as we head into the end of the week and into the weekend, Linda.